SpectraMagic NX2. Select Color QC, Start New Dock. Go to Instruments, connect your instrument to the software. Once connected successfully, start the calibration. White calibration. Click on File, then Display Template. Apply the desired template. Click on List it from L all the way down to Delta E. Change the necessary conditions 2 degrees and C. To edit the canvas window, go to the little icon below. Item Settings, add your L, A, B value. By difference, add your delta values. Set up your judgment. Now the graph. Observation condition back to 2 degrees and C. Change observation settings here as well. Let's create a target and measure. Don't forget to name your target. Now measure. The data auto-populates in the fields. Let's measure a sample. Item setting for the sample so the data can populate onto the fields. Placements onto the graph, comparing data. Thank you for watching.